This is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. I'm a total carnivore, and I found the ultimate meat subscription service. It's called Good Ranchers, and it's about to change the way you think about meat. Before we dive into the meat, let's talk about the folks behind Good Ranchers. This company was founded by ranchers for ranchers. They understand the challenges of the industry and are committed to supporting small-scale ranches. Why was Good Rancher started? Being tired of the broken food system that floods our markets with overpriced, low-quality meat, Ben and Corley Spell set out to create a better way. As parents searching for honest, nourishing food for their growing family, they founded Good Ranchers. By partnering with local, independent U.S. farms, Good Ranchers connects you to the kind of exceptional meat you can't find anywhere else. Together, they are restoring the American table to its rightful place, a gathering spot filled with real community, remarkable quality, and a commitment to supporting local farmers. Now, let's talk about what makes Good Ranchers meat so special. America's best beef. Their beef is aged 21 plus days for tenderness, graded USDA upper choice or higher, pasture raised on family farms, grass-fed, and hand-cut by master butchers. Better than organic chicken. Their chickens have never been exposed to antibiotics or hormones, are triple trimmed so no prep is needed, are responsibly fed in the small bird program, and are raised free range. Prime pork. Their pork is raised, crate-free, antibiotic and hormone-free, restaurant quality marbling, and certified prime pork. Wild-caught seafood. Their seafood is free from antibiotics and hormones, responsibly harvested, 100% wild-caught, and sourced in U.S. waters. The Good Ranchers box arrived promptly, delivered by FedEx, and was securely packaged to ensure the meat arrived in pristine condition. Upon opening, I was impressed by the organization. Each meat type, chicken, ground beef, flat iron steaks, and short loin steaks, was neatly separated in individual bags. These bags were clearly labeled, making it easy to identify and locate the desired cuts. Inside each bag, the individual meat items, such as chicken breasts, 1 pound ground beef, 1 flat iron steak, and 1 short loin steak, were individually vacuum sealed and frozen solid. The attention to detail in packaging ensured that the meat arrived fresh and ready to be enjoyed. One of the best things about Good Ranchers is their subscription service. By signing up, you're not only getting delicious, high-quality meat delivered right to your doorstep, but you're also supporting small-scale ranches. With a subscription, you can enjoy the convenience of having meat on hand at all times. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive deals and discounts. Ready to savor the best cuts of meat delivered right to your doorstep? Their subscription meat boxes offer unbeatable value with $25 off every order and free express shipping. Plus, enjoy a bonus cut in every third order when you subscribe. Experience the convenience, quality, and exceptional savings. A link in the description below will allow you to take advantage of this offer. So, there you have it. Good Ranchers is a great option for anyone looking for high-quality, ethically sourced meat. I highly recommend giving Good Ranchers a try. You won't be disappointed. Till next time.